Today we can do one workshop of Taisheng Play hardware and show you how to produce play hardware to your hand. The first station we can do the raw materials station. Every raw materials just from the large factories, iron factories from them. Cut the different size and pick them from warehouse to this workshop for the plan of this week productions. Okay, let's go. Let's go to for the production line. As you see in the video, every machine already make the for automatic for productions. This is all the newest punching machines for hardware. As you see, for here, every machine can launch it by itself and deliver the hardware out very, very fast. And every popular hardware we produce here. For example, here is for the aluminum hardware, the corners in high quantities. The high quantities technology machines, the advantage for that is it can help you to get the zero mistake for the size and also in a very, very fast speed to produce that. Okay, let's go to the next station. And every machines will make a QC master in there. Once the machines got a problem and got stopped, our master will go to check the machine very soon and make a zero the mistake in your hardware to keep it all high qualities. Our machine already have 4 automatic one and can produce the hardware very simple. For example, here this is for the short hedge for the backboard. Already finished that and put it in the box. And then the next station, let's go to the plating factories. For the plating colors, the hardware can offer you the zinc plating, window plating, and copper plating, and also the colorful, and also the other colors you need. You will see more to cut the glass if you need. Okay, let's go to the other one for the mold stations. We already have over 400 kinds of the mold of the hardware. Okay, come. And here we have over the 13 the masters for the machine to keep all the machines running smoothly and offer you fast and quality of the hardware. Okay, here this is a station for our mold stations. For mold stations, we have the mold masters for design the molds. Every design you will need, and also every design you want, we can design the C4D the pictures and to make the mold here. And as you see here is the mold stations. Mold stations already have over 400 molds. Every different designs mold we designed here by ourselves. And even you need a small difference for every hardware, we can apply the mold and change the mold. Very simple and very fast to meet your needs. Okay, let's go to the next station for production. And here, as you see, here is all for the mold warehouse. Every mold we put it here. And if you need another production for some items, we'll take this mold and put it on the machine. And then we can make it a very, very fast production for you. Okay, come. Every season we'll study for a market to design a new hardware for picture play or to produce the very, very popular hardware in the market to meet your needs and helps you a lot in the market, your market. For For example, this is for the aluminum clips. Each minutes, every minute one machine we can produce over 1,500 pieces in every minute. Very, very fast. And also for the others, other ones, different designs we produce in the together. So this means in the faster delivery is our advantage, and also in the same time, the different hardwares and for the popular hardwares, and also some other designs you would need, we can produce it very simple and very fast. So all the 4 automatic machines we have, and also professional production team for our flip, the masters is here. Okay, let's go. For this, every machine we produce the hardware high quality and in one time. For the aluminum hardware, always have secure inside. Then in our mold, it can make the secure quickly in one time already in this mold. Okay, here is for our production line for the Taisheng frame hardware, the hangers or hooks. Okay.